Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by heading to the X website and click the Sign Up button. You'll need to enter your name, email address, and create a strong password. Make sure your email is one you have active access to since you'll need to confirm it later. Step 2. During the account creation process, X will ask for phone verification. Instead of providing your real phone number, look for the skip option or select the email verification method if available. Some users report that clicking through quickly without entering a number can bypass this step entirely. Step 3. Complete your email confirmation by checking your inbox and clicking the verification link that X sends you. This is crucial because it proves you own the email address and helps secure your account. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Step 4. Set up your profile by adding a profile picture, banner, and bio. This makes your account look legitimate and established, which can help avoid triggering additional verification requirements. Keep your bio simple and professional. Step 5. Start following accounts and interacting with content right away. The more genuine activity you show on your account, the less likely X is to flag you for additional verification. Engage with posts, retweet content, and build your network organically from day one.